Forgotten username recovery failed on Trim Fix. If you've been trying to recover your Trim username and hitting dead ends, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Trim now relies on your registered email or phone number for login instead of a traditional username. Guessing usernames usually fails and only causes frustration. Here's the step-by-step fix. Step 1. Open the Trim app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email or phone number associated with your account. Trim uses this information to securely identify you. Step 2. If you no longer have access to your registered email or phone, you'll need to verify your identity. Prepare your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information, such as past transactions. This ensures that only the rightful account owner can regain access. Step 3. After verification, follow the instructions to reset your password. Check all folders in your email, including spam or junk, if the recovery email doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. If the standard recovery process fails, contact Trim support directly. Explain that username recovery attempts have failed and provide the requested verification details. Their support team will guide you through the process safely. The surprising truth is that losing a username doesn't mean permanent lockout. Trim switched to email and phone-based login to simplify access and enhance security. By following these steps, you'll regain access quickly. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity when needed, and you'll be back using Trim confidently without any stress or delays.